So hello guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. For those who are new here, hi, I'm your video host Abhijit, and in this video we are going to see 6 most awaited bikes in India in 2021. This will be a kind of part 1 video. If I get good response on this video, I'll be uploading part 2 as well. So please share this video with your biker friends as much as possible, and also please consider subscribing to my channel. So without wasting much time, let's start the intro. The first bike in our list is Honda Hornet Adventure. It seems like Honda is working on its first smaller cc affordable adventure tourer bike. The manufacturer is planning to develop an all-new adventure motorcycle based on the recently launched Hornet 2.0. The upcoming adventure might get the same 184.4cc single-cylinder fuel-injected engine which produces 17 bhp of maximum power and 16.1 Nm of torque. We can expect a fully new design for the upcoming Hornet Adventure Tourer. The bike could get longer suspension, travel, large wheelbase, dual purpose tire and a switchable ABS. The expected price for this bike would be 1,50,000 to 1,60,000 rupees ex-showroom. Next bike in the list is TVS Fiero 125. When TVS had a partnership with Suzuki, they introduced a unique looking motorcycle with a smooth 150cc engine in the name TVS Suzuki Fiero. But eventually the Fiero brand was withdrawn from the market and it slowly faded away from our memory. After several years, it looks like the Hosur based manufacturer has decided to bring back the good old Fiero brand, but this time as a smaller cc motorcycle. Recently, the Hosur based manufacturer filed a trademark in the name TVS Fiero 125. In terms of engine specifications, we can expect the TVS Fiero 125 commuter motorcycle to derive its engine from the automatic scooter, albeit with some changes in the engine specs. We can expect 125cc fuel-injected air-cooled BS6 engine with max power of 12 bhp. Mid of 2021, we can expect this bike in the Indian market. And the expected price for this bike would be 75,000 to 80,000 ex-showroom. Third bike in the list is Hero XF 3R. The name is not yet confirmed, but Hero MotoCorp had displayed XF 3R concept in the 2016 Auto Expo. The Hero XF 3R concept is powered by a 300cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled fuel-injected 4-valve engine, which is mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The motor is expected to produce 30 PS of maximum power. As per the news from the different sources, Hero XF 3R is expected to launch in India in April 2021 with the price range of 1,20,000 to 1,50,000. So guys, if you want me to do a detailed video about this bike, please comment down below. Next bike in the list is Yamaha XSR 155. Yamaha XSR comes with 155cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine which produces 18.6 PS power at 10,000 RPM and 14.7 Nm torque at 8,500 RPM. The XSR 155 shares same engine as MT-15 and R15 version 3. Expected price of Yamaha XSR 155 is 1.4 lakh ex-showroom, and by end of Jan 2021 we can expect this bike in the Indian market. Fifth bike in our list is Bajaj Avenger 400. As you may know, Bajaj Avenger motorcycles are the most loved cruiser bikes in India. It seems like the manufacturer is working on developing a bigger and a better version of Bajaj Avenger based on the currently available Dominar 400's platform. The upcoming Avenger 400 could get 373cc liquid-cooled fuel injection engine which produces 35 bhp of max power and 35 Nm of peak torque with the 6-speed gearbox. We can expect same suspension assembly as the current Avenger in the upcoming 400cc model. The expected price for the Avenger 400 would be around 1,50,000 ex-showroom, and once the bike is launched in India, it will directly compete against the Classic 350 and Thunderbird 350. Last bike in our list is Intruder 250. Suzuki Motorcycle is one of the fastest growing two-wheeler brands in India. The Japanese motorcycle manufacturer has revealed that a new 250cc motorcycle is being developed under cruiser segment. The new Intruder 250 will use the same engine as the Gixxer 250. The bike could get a single-cylinder oil-cooled 249cc engine that produces a max power of 26.5 PS at 9,000 RPM and 22.6 Nm peak torque at 7,500 RPM. In terms of design, the upcoming Intruder 250 will be similar to the Intruder 150. We can expect this bike to price between 1,10,000 to 1,15,000 ex-showroom. That's all for this video guys. I hope this video was informative. If you guys want me to do a detailed video on any of these bikes, please comment down below. And please continue to support my channel, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please press that red button and press the bell icon to get the future video updates. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.